Welcome to my channel. My name is Kingsley Ibe. Full stack web development requires a combination of tools for both the front end and back end. Today, we'll be discussing about 7 top full stack web development tools you need. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, Text Editor. Text Editor allows you to write and edit your code in a professional manner. We have different types of text editors you can choose from. We have Atom, we have Visual Studio Code, we have Vim, we have Sublime, we have Notepad. Let's talk about VS Code, which is my favorite. Personally, I use VS Code for all my development. VS Code is available on almost all operating systems. It runs on Windows, it runs on Mac OS, and it runs on Linux. And the installation is quite simple. In addition to its widespread availability across multiple operating systems, VS Code has a marketplace for third-party extensions which enhances the development experience by providing tools tailored to diverse operating systems. Now let's look at other benefits. VS Code includes a built-in terminal that allows developers to execute commands, run scripts, and interact with their workspace without leaving the editor environment. So you have to run your code within the editor. VS Code also provides IntelliSense code completion, also known as IntelliSense. This feature improves productivity and reduces syntax errors. VS Code offers powerful debugging capacity for various programming languages and platforms. Provides a unified debugging experience with features such as breakpoint, watch variables, call stacks, and interactive debugging console. Now let's talk about version control integration. VS Code seamlessly integrates version control systems like Git, enabling developers to manage source code repository directly within the editor. One of my favorite features of VS Code is the Live Share. VS Code Live Share feature enables real-time collaboration between developers, allowing them to share their workspace, edit code together, debug collaboratively, and communicate via chat. And this is very seamlessly. Number 2, know a front-end framework. Using a particular framework will make your life a lot easier. Most common frameworks are React.js, Angular, which is formerly AngularJS, Vue.js, Ember, and the rest of them. React.js is the most popularly used front-end framework developed and maintained by Facebook, and it has the widest community. Some of the notable features of React.js are React.js follows a component-based architecture where the UIs are broken down into reusable components, and this makes it easier to manage and maintain code, improve usability, and enhance collaboration among developers. Another interesting feature of React.js is that React.js uses a virtual DOM to improve performance. Instead of directly manipulating browsers' data, React creates a lightweight virtual representation of the DOM in memory, allowing it to effectively update only when the parts of the DOM have changed. Also, React.js allows developers to write HTML code directly with JavaScript. Additionally, in React.js, data flows down from parent component to child component, ensuring predictable and manageable data flow throughout the application. Again, React allows us to reuse components, which helps to maintain our code and leads to more efficient application. Now let's talk about lifecycle method. React components have lifecycle method that allows developers to hook into different stages of a component's lifecycle. such as when it is mounted, updated, or unmounted. This provides developers with greater control over component behavior and enables them to perform tasks like data fetching, state updates, and cleanup operations. Let's talk about virtual DOM deferring and reconciliation. React effectively updates the DOM by performing a process called deferring to identify changes between the virtual DOM and the actual DOM, and then reconciling those changes with minimal DOM manipulations. This results in improved performance and faster rendering of UI updates. Also, let's talk about SSR, server-side rendering, and React Native. React.js supports server-side rendering, which improves SEO and initial page load performance by rendering React components on the server before sending them to the client. Additionally, React can be used with React Native to build cross-platform mobile applications using JavaScript and React principles. In front-end development, state management is very important. React provides us with Context API, which allows developers to share state across multiple components without having to explicitly pass props down through the component tree. This makes it easier to manage global state, reduce prop drilling, and improve code maintainability. Finally, let's talk about React Hooks. React Hooks was introduced in React 16.8. Hooks are functions that enable developers to use state and other React features in functional components. Hooks provide a more concise and flexible way to manage component state and lifecycle, reducing the need for class components and simplifying code organization. Number 3. Backend framework. Most popular backend frameworks are Ruby on Rails, Django, Node.js, Laravel, and there are many others, but these are the most popular ones. Number 4. CSS frameworks. There are many frameworks that allows you to easily write CSS in your project. The most popular ones are Bootstrap, Tailwind, Materialize, and there are many others. I particularly use Tailwind because it's very easy to use and saves you tons of time and writing of CSS rules. Number 5. Version control systems. Version control systems allows you to track changes made to files over time. Every modification, addition, and deletion is recorded along with relevant information, such as who made the changes and when it occurred. Also, it enables collaboration among team members working on the same project. The most commonly used version control systems are GitHub and Bitbucket. Number 6. Postman. Postman is an important tool for every developer involved in API development. It simplifies API testing by providing a user-friendly interface for sending HTTP requests to APIs and inspecting the response. Postman makes it easy to construct and customize HTTP requests with various parameters, headers, and body content. You can learn more about Postman on the Postman official website. And finally, number 7. Database tools. Database tools are tools that allows us to store and manage our data in most applications. They also provide us with additional features such as performance optimization, data modeling, security, scalability, and availability. MySQL and PostgreSQL are the most widely used database management tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like.